Antifreeze, the silent hero of your engine. It doesn't just keep your car from freezing in winter, it also keeps the temperature under control all year long, protecting your engine from damage. But here's the problem. VAG Group cars, which include Audi, Volkswagen, Škoda, and SEAT, don't use the same type of coolant as many other brands. If you pour the wrong one in, it could cost you thousands to fix your engine later. VAG cars use coolants identified by specific codes: G11, G12, G12+, G12++, and G13. Each code represents a different chemical formula and generation of coolant. G11, usually blue or green in color, it contains silicate additives and is designed for older engines, mainly from the late 1990s. It provides decent protection, but is considered outdated today. G12 and G12+, typically red or pink. These are based on organic acid technology, OAT, offering longer-lasting protection. Never mix G11 and G12. Mixing them causes a chemical reaction that forms sludge, blocking the cooling system. G12++ and G13-, the latest generation coolants. G13 is commonly used in VAG vehicles made after 2013. It's glycerin-based, which makes it more eco-friendly and compatible with modern aluminum and magnesium engines. The color is usually purple or dark pink. Which one should you choose? If you need to top it up, make sure it's the same code and same color. Many mechanics say all antifreezes are the same, but that's completely wrong. Mixing different types will create a jelly-like substance inside your radiator, clogging the system and causing your engine to overheat. VAG-approved coolants are all-season formulas, so you don't need separate versions for summer or winter. What really matters is the freezing point. Most quality coolants protect down to -35°C or even -40°C. If you live in colder regions or drive in mountainous areas, choose one rated at -40°C for better safety. 4. When should you change it? G11. Every 2 years, G12/G12+. Every 3 to 4 years, G12++/G13. Up to 5 years or 200,000 kilometers. Newer coolants last much longer and protect against corrosion more effectively. 5. Official recommendations. VAG Group strongly recommends using original coolant that meets their standards. Codes like TL774-D, TL774-G, or TL774-J appear on the label. If you buy from another brand like Castrol, Phoebe, or Mobil, make sure the bottle says VW G13 compatible. And one golden rule: when mixing antifreeze with water, always use distilled water, not tap water. Tap water contains minerals that can cause rust, scale, and deposits in your engine. For all modern VAG vehicles, the best choice is G12++ or G13 coolant, usually purple or dark pink in color. It's long-lasting, eco-friendly, and offers maximum protection against freezing, boiling, and corrosion. Remember, choosing the right antifreeze isn't just about color, it's about your engine's health and performance. The right coolant can add years to your car's life.